Hey guys.
Hey Shay.
How you guys doing?
Good.
So you guys, this is a beautiful community.
I mean, everything's looking the same around here. Very cookie cutter.
I understand.
I've noticed all the grass is nicely mowed, the lawn is kept up. Is that something that
Part of the HOA.
I would have to do? Okay.
No,
Yeah.
part of the HOA. So, and they are $177 a month. This
For
town
the HOA fees?
for the HOA fees.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Do you know what else that covers?
You have exterior care and sidewalks.
Gym?
Yay!
Pool? Gym pool?
Not exactly.
Okay.
Let's go check it out.
All
Let's
right.
see. Okay, more gray.
I know.
Brand new also means not lived in. And so the history and the character might not be all the way there. Oh.
I mean, look at how brand new these things are now. They're stainless steel.
I will say this is a pretty freaking awesome kitchen. And the backsplash, nice and classic.
Yes,
Oh, yeah,
classic.
yeah.
Will look good many years from now.
Nice granite. Lots of countertop space.
Right?
Love this. I like the open floor plan. What I don't like is the yard space. Not enough yard for Penny to run
Penny, yeah.
around.
Can't just let the dog out in the middle of the night.
I
True.
agree with that.
Now we're gonna go upstairs to see the 3 bedrooms.
Uh-oh. I'm seeing fuzzy stuff on the floor.
I know.
Jay?
I know. I
I-
wish I could say it's not there. This is the washer and dryer area,
Washer
the
and
laundry.
dryer.
So in-home washer and dryer.
And there's no actual washer and dryers in here.
Correct.
Would the unit come with one?
No, they would not.
Okay.
Those would be items that you would buy outside of the purchase of this unit. Now I want to go over here to the owner suite.
Carpet in the bedrooms.
Yes,
I don't like that.
I understand. I'm going to be honest. I'm not a big fan of carpet either.
I do like the size. It's just, again, really boring and there's not much happening in here. Glad there's not carpet in here.
Ah, I love the dual
I
vanities.
know. And the height of it.
Very good. All new.
It's a good size. I'm liking the sink space.
The double sinks. And then here are your roommates' rooms.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
We have a room here.
Yeah, very standard traditional bedroom. One thing I'm a little bit sensitive to is it looks like there's a shared wall between the 2 bedrooms. And
There are.
Somebody's a night owl and somebody's a morning bird and they like to play their music loud or TV. That's something to be aware of.
So these 2 bedrooms share a bath.
Correct.
Okay.
It's kind of odd. The primary has 2 sinks for one person and the shared has 1. Brand new.
Tick.
We're in suburbia.
Tick.
It's within the price point I've asked for.
And that's why it's a good investment.
That's why it's a good
Right
investment.
here. This is something that will absolutely increase in value, and you could turn around and rent this out
Yeah.
tomorrow.
It's just very cookie cutter, plain Jane, simple.
There's some green space. There's not very much of a yard.
That's right.
Don't know if I can get over the location. It
Oh.
is so far from downtown. But love the kitchen.
Come on.
Love the countertops.
I want it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right? I'm worried about the roommate situation. We are almost at that $300,000 range.
Yeah.
I just want 0 to 1 roommate,
Right.
not 2 or more.
Hey, Shay.
Hey guys. So welcome to Hoskin Mills. Built in 1903, used to be a cotton mill, now turned into the sexiest condos ever. Come on.
So excited about it.
1903.
1903.
Wow, the tall ceilings.
Yes.
I like how wide the hallways are too.
This is pretty.
it.
I'm pretty impressed.
See? I knew I was going to win you over. So this unit that we're going to see, it is so amazing, you guys. Come in. Let's check out this place.
Oh my gosh. This is incredible.
Ah, okay.
Let's start here.
Okay.
Let's take in the kitchen.
Small. I love cooking. That's one of my favorite hobbies. And so not a lot of countertop space for that,
That's right.
unfortunately. These ceilings are a little low.
Right here it is.
Okay.
But here's where the magic. Keep coming.
Okay.
Keep following me. Ta-da!
Hey, this is what I'm talking about.
That's what I'm saying, right?
That's
Wow.
impressive.
This is incredible. And the beam. Oh, I love this, Shay. You hit the nail on the head with this. I mean, the brick.
The
Come
brick is
on.
amazing.
No, this is a nice
mean-
living area.
So I'd love to take you upstairs so we could see the loft. Look at these wood stairs. All original.
More wood,
Look
love
at
it.
this. The flooring that's downstairs that's new, it comes all the way up here as well,
Okay.
right?
Wow.
This is actually pretty
Oh,
impressive.
wow.
Look at these beams.
This beam is pretty neat.
I mean,
This is a good sized bedroom.
They don't. I
Right
think
here.
you'd want curtains because you have no privacy up here. If
I
who's
could
ever-
say, hey, roommate. And also,
Poor girl.
I might not even need a roommate.
hello, that's what I'm talking about.
165. I mean,
That's what I'm talking about, right there. Okay, we're gonna go to the second bedroom.
okay.
Look at this.
Oh,
Look how
this is-
tall your ceilings are. Are you
this is
sure you want that one
interesting.
upstairs?
That is a tall ceiling.
A 2-story bedroom.
Where does this look out to?
Yes. Okay. So let's just talk about the elephant in the room.
That,
Window goes out to the lobby,
Ah.
to that atrium place area that we first walked into. So that is a little, it's quirky. Those are some of the
Yeah.
quirks of living in a cool
and that's the
120-year-old building.
It's character.
Correct.
So I can get on board. So are there even washer dryer hookups? in the
No,
closet?
there are not.
Okay.
In some of the units, they've had them.
Okay.
Unfortunately, in this particular unit, they do not have washer and dryer hookup. But it literally is in this building. You really don't have to go far.
What other amenities are here?
Your water is included in the HOA fees.
Just water?
Your water, your trash,
How much are the HOAs?
$350 a month.
$350. Okay.
But I mean,
It's only 165 though.
It's true.
You see what I'm saying?
All right. Hey, it looks like it's been redone.
It has.
I like the granite that matches the kitchen.
I like this. This is
This
a
isn't
nice
too bad.
bathroom. I like the tile. I'm feeling fantastic about this place. There are cons though. I mean, no washer dryer, the lack of privacy in the bedrooms like you mentioned. It's a good price
So
though.
It is a good price. I'm actually pleasantly surprised by the condition of the place. Not a big fan of the neighborhood.
Okay.
Totally.
And just keep in mind, it's proximity to Uptown Charlotte.
Yeah.
You're probably looking at 8 to 10 minutes.
Okay.
And then Penny the dog, where's Penny gonna roam around? I see a little bit of grass, but
Walk Penny outside. You'll see that there are a lot of people who own dogs in this building.
I just feel like the HOA is so high for there to be no amenities.
wow.
Ooh.
Good first impression.
Okay. I'm loving the natural light. That's the first thing I'm noticing.
I really like how everything looks new and modern.
Modern is boring.
Fully fenced backyard.
Oh,
Oh,
perfect.
wow. This is nice.
Fenced
That's
all the way
perfect
around?
for my dog Penny to run around.
Exactly.
I've never seen such a big concrete patio for a house this size.
I
It's
know.
pretty amazing,
It's-
honestly.
Yeah, you even have a little deck for a hot tub.
I mean, but you're going to have so many roommates here in this particular
Yeah.
home with its size and
So
the
we can
cost.
throw a little backyard party.
Correct.
Wow.
Now, Shay,
Yes.
I wasn't wanting to like this.
Okay. But do we?
I love the countertop space, first of all. It is a little modern, but that's okay with me. The backsplash, phenomenal.
Come on.
This is a formal dining room?
This is your formal dining room.
I
So this
like
is
this nook. And this
Awesome.
could be maybe a little bench,
And I love that
Like
a
idea.
reading-
reading bench.
it's a
Get
washer
the
and dryer.
and dryer.
Yeah.
Yes!
Look at it.
I love the in-unit washer dryer.
Okay, you guys, coming to the owner's suite.
Ooh,
Ah.
I like this.
Fresh.
It's modern.
It is modern.
It is modern.
Is that too much for you?
It doesn't have a lot of history.
Yes.
What?
Oh.
This is nice.
This-
What?
Wait a minute.
Hello.
This may put some pressure on me at home because we'll have a nicer bathroom than your mother has. That's going to cause me some problems. How about let me peek around the corner
Okay,
here.
please. This is the closet.
Oh, wow. Walk-in closet. This is awesome.
This is very nice.
So can it be assumed that I get the primary bedroom?
Well, I would say most certainly. Why wouldn't you? I mean, and then can we also assume that you're going to pay the highest rent?
Yes.
No.
Okay, let's go to one of the other bedrooms.
It's small.
It would be for one of your roommates.
A shared rent. Let's go straight across the hall.
Okay. Ooh.
Ta-da!
Oh, not bad.
So I think this is even better than that room because,
Yes.
again, the lighting.
Agreed. Here we go. Here's the bathroom that they both will share.
This is a nice sized bathroom. Although I love the interior, it's just so far from downtown.
Not close enough.
We're in suburbia versus chaos, crazy.
The fenced-in backyard for the dog.
Hey, Penny.
Love that. The in-unit washer dryer. That's
Yes.
huge. Nice big kitchen with great countertop space. But in terms of history and kind of that creative side, it's kind of lacking there.
Yeah.
The number one thing is price. I want it to be around 300,000. At 370?
Yeah.
And it's about 170 over my original
Right.
price.
It'll take me, I think, longer to recoup my investments. And it's-
100%. It seems like you guys have a lot to consider.
Yes.
Yeah, we definitely have to talk things out. So this rug's going downstairs, right?
Wherever you want, it's your place.
We chose the condo with the loft near downtown because of the location, and I love the character of the building.
At the end of the day, the most important thing for me was to find a place that Natalie can grow and thrive in. I'm also happy on the investment side as well, because I really do think this place has a lot of upside and potential, because I think this place just has a really unique character, unique enough to differentiate it from a run-of-the-mill condo that you see thousands of in any city. Well, hopefully this is the last time we're gonna have to move you for a couple years.
I know.
Where would you like?
I can imagine myself staying here for years and years. This property was listed at $165,000, and we ended up paying $175,000.
This is an extremely hot market right now, and she wanted it. We felt it was the right thing to do, and we wanted to make sure we got this place.
I've met some awesome people in the building, and I've just had so much fun exploring new places and meeting new people and loving the city of Charlotte. It's your new home, Penny. My dog has adjusted very well to the new place. She is adaptable in herself, and so we have used the community space with the little yard that we have. We've also been enjoying exploring the local greenways as well. The landlord-renter relationship has really tried the father-daughter relationship. He is making me pay a security deposit, pay every month on time, or else there will be a late fee.
Yes, there will be.
And there's no leniency, so it's really teaching me a lesson the hard way.
And oh, by the way, the first rent is due on Monday.